Guys, what's up? Here's what's cooking in 5150 land. Trying to make some more parking. I found 6 cars this weekend that I decided to buy, so gonna have to put some over here on the concrete. Gonna have to do something about the flooring, maybe bring in some rock over there. But anyway, that's what's cooking. The more this car sits in my driveway, the more I dig it. That's what happens. You just fall in love with them. I mean, maybe it's just the way the door closes. Even Jen thinks it's cute. So anyway, moving some over. I gotta get the 64 over to the garage. I got a detached garage at the other house, so that's a 64. But yeah, that's what's cooking. So I've been busy. I hope you guys been busy. I'm gonna try to get this mess cleaned up before the rain comes in the next couple days. So get after it. Let's go. I'm having a blast. I hope you guys are too. And thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments. And oh yeah, CT Moog. This is your Ghia. I told you I'd shoot a video on this thing. Pretty solid car. I think you got that handled, buddy. I think it's the original. The original pans are still on this. It's a little, you know, they all need rockers, basically. No motor. 67, but car's pretty solid. Like I said, the original floors are in it, so I think the nose is good on it too. Yeah. Whoops. I'm looking at the car, not the camera. So, CT Moog, Maddie, let's go. If you need a 67, 500, I need a Florida vacation anyway. I think that's where you're at. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll get some updates. I got some more cars I want to show you. So, that's it. Thanks for watching 5150 MX VW. Have a good night.